Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sashoni and welcome. Anyway, so it's approaching winter, but it's actually fall here in Japan. I live in Japan if you're new to my channel, and I purchased some clothes from Shein. I used to call them Shein, but I think it's called Shein. So anyway, so I purchased some clothes from Shein, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what I bought, so that if you're in Japan and you want to get winter stuff, awesome stuff, you can buy from this site, right? And if you're coming to Japan, at least you know one online store that you can purchase from. So let me just get right into the video. So the very first item that I got was this oversized t-shirt, right? And I actually tried this on and it was super big for me. I had to double check to ensure that I got this right size, and it's actually extra small. So I purchased extra small because I'm very petite, I'm very short, and I'm very tiny, and this is still too big for me. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me. Alright guys, so this match my shoe rack. Anyway, so actually let me just explain to you guys. So my friend actually selected all of these outfits for me. I asked her to just, you know, I don't know, like I was not feeling, what should I say, I never felt motivated to go on the site and to look for stuff, but I wanted some like cute autumn fall outfit. So she actually selected these for me and I purchased them. So all of these stuff that you see here, I did not select them, I just purchased them. Well, you guys probably know Staecha by now because she has been on my channel multiple times, so I'm gonna leave her link in the description box below so that you guys can check out her video, because she actually did a video with these items as well, so you guys can see a different type of video but with these same outfits. Anyway, so this is the oversized shirt, t-shirt, whatever you call it, and I'm not happy with it because it's very big and I already spent my money, so I'm gonna be wearing it. I just need to, I don't know, how can I style this? I don't even know. But anyways, yeah, this is it. It's cute, but it's just a little too big for me, yeah, I think. And it's fall in Japan, so it's, some days are a little hot, others it might be a little cold, but it's not very cold where I need to like draw for a very thick coat or anything like that. So this is like the perfect weather to wear something like this out, but of course my legs gonna be like very cold and stuff. But yeah, so this is the first piece. All right, so on to the next one. This is probably one of my favorite because I think this fits me. It's not too tight, it's not too slack, like you can see. It's not that tight, but it's not big. It doesn't look big. So wait, all right, yeah. So anyway, so the only thing that I don't like with this is that it's very thin, so I can't, like, I don't know, maybe I would have to wear this. As you can see, it's very thin. It's thin, so I can't really wear this like when the time is cold, unless I'm gonna put on like a coat or something like this, because it's too thin. I'm gonna show you guys how long it is. Let me try and push this back, you know, guys. Okay, this is how long it is. I'm on my tippy toes. Again guys, on Staecha's channel you're probably gonna see a better view of all of these stuff, but you know I'm recording by myself, so it's a bit hard to show you everything, like all the angles. But yeah, so I like this thing. I think it's very cute. It's just that it might not be like a autumn winter type of thing unless you're someone who doesn't get cold easily. Got these boots. I think these are very cute. If you guys gonna purchase this, by the way, all the links to these items will be linked in the description box below so that you guys can check it out. But anyway, so if you're gonna buy this, just go a size up, because I wear 37 and I just felt like getting a 38, and I'm happy that I got a 38 because this fits so close. So if I had gotten my right size, then it would have been too tight for me. So just for you guys to note, go a size up or 2 if you wanna. The next thing is, I'm gonna show you guys these glasses I got. This is actually something that was not selected by Staecha, so I'm gonna show you guys. Like, I'm going on vacation in December, hopefully, fingers crossed. And this is perfect for where I'm going, because I'm going to like a tropical island, you know, so I'm ready for the beach and all. I'm excited. So yeah, I've never had like a glasses like this, so this is like a something different for me, you know. I need to change up my look sometimes, you know. I can't look the same all the time. So yeah, I like this. It's cute. And this was for like, I think maybe $5. This was about $5 on the site. So again, I'm gonna link these stuff in the description box so that you guys can check them out if you're interested, especially if you're in Japan, because they ship to Japan like within a week or two, maximum 2 weeks you get your stuff. I got this bag, and based on the packaging, they actually sent all of these items in a bag, not a box. So because it was sent in a bag, I feel like when the shipping company was transporting this package, some way somehow stuff got onto it and crushed the bag or something like that. Of course, it had like padding. I took out the paddings and stuff, but it actually looks like one side was pressed down. So I don't like how that look, but I guess maybe when I put a lot of stuff in there, the shape it won't show that it has an uneven shape. I actually got two, so I got the black one and I got the white one to it. For the white one now, I am a little disappointed because the white one is the same thing as relates to one side being uneven, but that's not what I'm upset about. It actually came with a soil. So as you can see, there's a soil right here, which I'm very upset about. I need to leave a review on the site, let them know that they need to be more careful when they're handling white stuff, because now I have to add bleach and trying to remove the stain. What if it can't come out? Then what? Huh? Shein, then what? Anyways, so these are cute, you know. And if you don't want to wear it long, you can always wear it like this, you know. So it's all up to you what you want to do. Okay. All right, so next outfit. Okay, so I just realized that she selected a lot of brown stuff for me. But anyway, so this is what an oversized shirt, I guess. Is it shirt? I think. Let me just put on the belt. This is not really my style. Like I prefer the t-shirt, the first one that I showed you guys. I prefer that one over this one. On the site, I saw where the model wore like a black shorts underneath, because this is very short. Yeah, this is short, so I definitely will have to wear something underneath it. But yeah, I guess it could work. Like I said, it's big though. It's supposed to be worn big, but it's big. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is it. Yeah, this is it. All right, and on to my final outfit for the night, for the day, for this video. Yeah, let me just show you guys before I put it on. So this is like is it leather, like a leather tights, and I got this little jacket. So this is it. Of course, I'm not gonna be wearing like a bra. I'm gonna be wearing like a under blouse or something like that, but I'm just showing you guys how it looks. Yes, I've been wanting one of these leather jackets for a long time, so I'm glad that I got it. Yeah, I'm glad that I bought it. What is this white thing? Yeah, so this is it, guys. This goes all the way down. The tights was very cheap. I think it was $7, so very affordable. But anyway, so this is probably like, this probably is my favorite outfit, because this just looks badass, you know, like when you're watching movies and the girl is going on the bike, and you know, that's what this reminds me of. Let me zip it up. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. First of all, thumbs up this video, guys. It's free, it doesn't cost you a thing. You're already on the video, just thumbs it up and subscribe. Like, subscribe to my channel, guys. It's not that hard, you know. It's free. Subscribe to my channel, support me. This is where I leave you guys for now. Bye.